Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us discuss the next part of the chapter whole numbers. Here in this section we shall discuss some patterns in whole numbers. So let us start patterns in whole numbers. We shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shapes made up of dots. You know the shapes we take are a line, a rectangle, a square and a triangle. How to represent whole numbers in a line, in a rectangle, in a square and in a triangle. Every number should be arranged in one of these shapes. No other shape is allowed. For example, every number can be arranged as a line. The number 2 is shown as, so here the number 2 is arranged as a line. Then the number 3 is shown as like this in a line. And the number 4 is shown as, this is 4 represented in a line. And so we can represent every number in a line. Some numbers can be shown also as rectangles. For example, the number 6 can be shown as a rectangle. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. And also we can represent it as 3 rows and 2 columns. The number 8 can be shown as a rectangle. There are 2 rows and 4 columns like this. So this is the representation of 8 as rectangle. The number 12 can be shown as a rectangle. There are 3 rows and 4 columns like this. Some numbers like 4 or 9 can be arranged as squares. For example, 4 and 9, we can represent these numbers as squares. So this is the representation of 4 as a square, and this is the representation of number 9 as a square. Here number of rows and columns are equal. Some numbers can also be arranged as triangles. For example, number 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 and so on. These numbers can be arranged as triangles. So you have to note that the triangle should have its 2 sides equal. The number of dots in the rows starting from the bottom row should be like 4, 3, 2, 1. The top row should always have 1 dot, and from top to bottom the number of dots is increasing by 1. So these numbers 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 and so on, these numbers are known as triangular numbers. So you have to remember 1 is a special number. So these are the numbers except 1 from 2 to 13. So which numbers are represented as a line, as a rectangle, as a square or as a triangle. So the number 2 can be represented in a line. Number 3 can be represented in a line and in a triangle also. Number 4 can be arranged in a line, in a rectangle and in a square also. Then number 5 can be represented in a line. Number 6 can be represented in a line, in a rectangle and in a triangle also. Number 7 can be represented only in a line. 8 can be represented as a line and as a rectangle. Number 9 as a line, as a rectangle, as a square. Number 10 as a line, as a rectangle and as a triangle. Number 11 can be arranged as a line. Number 12 can be arranged as a line, as a rectangle. And number 13 can be arranged as a line. Then pattern observation. Observation of patterns can guide you in simplifying processes. Study the following. First, 117 plus 9. We can write it as 117 plus 10 minus 1. That is equal to 127 minus 1 or equal to 126. Second, 117 minus 9 is equal to 117 minus 10 plus 1. Minus 9 can be written as minus 10 plus 1. That is equal to 107 plus 1 is equal to 108. Then 117 plus 99 is equal to 117 plus 100 minus 1. That is equal to 217 minus 1 is equal to 216. Then 117 minus 99 is equal to 117 minus 100 plus 1 is equal to 17 plus 1, that is equal to 18. Here is one more pattern. 84 into 9, we can write it as 84 into 10 minus 1. 9 is equal to 10 minus 1. Then 84 into 99, we can write it as 84 into 100 minus 1. 84 into 999 is equal to 84 into 1000 minus 1. The following patterns suggest a way of multiplying a number by 5 or 25 or 125. We can write it as 96 into 5, that is equal to 96 into 5 can be written as 10 by 2. So 96 into 10 by 2, that is equal to 960 by 2 equal to 480. Then 96 into 25 is equal to 96 into 100 by 4, that is equal to 9600 divided by 4 is equal to 2400. Then 96 into 125 is equal to 96 into 1000 by 8 is equal to 6000 by 8 is equal to 12,000. Then 64 into 5 is equal to 64 into 10 by 2, that is equal to, we can divide 64 by 2 also, that is equal to 32 into 10 is equal to 320. Then 64 into 15 is equal to 64 into 30 by 2. Then we divide 64 by 2 and multiply with 30. So that is equal to 32 into 30. That is 320 into 3 is equal to 960. So for easy calculation, you can apply these patterns. 64 into 25 is equal to 64 into 50 by 2. That is equal to 32 into 50, or that is equal to 320 into 5, that is 1600. You can write it as 25 can be written as also 100 by 4. Then 64 into 35 is equal to 64 into 70 by 2. That is equal to 32 into 70 is equal to 320 into 7. That is equal to 2240. Thank you.